Bernie Williams bobblehead night. And you know what? It's a good thing to have the clear line because we're gonna walk right in and I'm gonna show you the process. How much? Put it in.
You guys are good. Step right around.
Thank you so much. And that's how it works. And then you go into security.
My life be like. My life be like.
Wow, so we finally made it in the building, and I got Giselle with me. She's back off the disabled list, but she's still playing hurt. I got the Bernie Williams bobblehead. After a mishap at the ticket thing, because my ticket wasn't showing up and I couldn't get in, but finally I figured it out. I had to go through the other side, the Ticketmaster, and then I got it to work. But now we're inside Yankee Stadium, and we're gonna go view batting practice now and see if we can catch a ball. So hopefully we can. See what happens.
Liam, run out there!
Well, we're in batting practice right now, and there's some balls coming this way. I think I might be a little too far back, maybe. I need to get a little closer. But let's see what happens. Stadium's beautiful today. Show you what it looks like, the panoramic view of what it is. And that's 360 pretty much of Yankee Stadium. Well, right now we're in batting practice, and I can't go live on YouTube because you need 1,000 subscribers to go mobile live stream. And I have only 983. So I need like 17 more people to subscribe so I can go live on YouTube, and then you can see live streams from batting practice again. But right now, this kid caught a hell of a ball. Yeah, it's starting to rain, so we're gonna move on out of here, I guess. But yeah, batting practice is over. My current situation right now, I got I had peanuts from last game. Oh boy, they're all over the binoculars, everything. Yeah. Anyway, we're still trying to catch a ball in beautiful, good old Yankee Stadium. Okay, so I finally got myself situated here, and I was there at the seats digging out peanuts out of my bag. No, you can't make this up. You can't make this up. The whole bag of peanuts overturned in my book bag, so there's peanuts still in my bag and in my binoculars. But we're gonna go around the stadium and show you what we do and see what's going on around on Bernie Williams bobblehead night. And let's hope the Yankees win. And if the Yankees do win tonight in this game, they will have completely the same record they had last year, and they did win 100 games. So, not to worry, we're on course. We're back at the team store here. See what they got new. They got a Miguel Andujar bat, Paul O'Neill bat right there. They got the Aaron Hicks game used jersey, Luke Voigt signed jersey, Clint Frazier signed jersey, with Miguel Andujar and Mariano. I guess this stuff hasn't gone yet. The Gary Sanchez bat is still here, and the bases are still here too. So we have made it to the MasterCard Batter's Eye deck. We're here at Yankee Stadium for Game 1 against the Chicago White Sox. And it's beautiful. And the ground crew is getting it together down there. I don't know what they're doing. They got their arms up and stuff. But it's live at the batter's deck. Peep out the Yankee sneakers, man. That's dope, right? Gotta get a pair of those. So we're at the batter's eye deck, and it's raining, right? It's pouring right now. And we left batting practice because it started raining. But I don't see anybody putting no tarp on, so hopefully the game starts on time. I'm up on the big screen, baby, right there in the corner. Here I am. I told you I was going. I told you I was going to make it up on the big screen. That's an old picture from the last game. Holy cow, I'm up there, man. And we're gonna rock it out all the way, man. That's dope. I want a big one. I just want to show you guys real quick. When you leave the bleachers, you get to come up here, and you leave through this ramp. And it'll lead you right back into the Great Hall. And that's how you get in and out of the bleachers. So we are on the queue line for Buffalo Wild Wings, baby. And we're gonna get some buffalo wings. And we're gonna probably go with the mild, maybe.
Wait a minute, they're spicy?
Well, they got different types, you know. They got traditional.
I'm talking about the flavor. Oh, I see it in the bottom. Yeah, they got honey barbecue.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to do something like that.
Yeah, I don't really like.
Let's see what happens. Here's my bucket of chicken there. And we're gonna go eat this now. How many chicken we get in this? 10? 10 chickens. The 10 chicken bucket challenge. Here we go. So we have found the spot, our reserve spot, always behind this beautiful garbage can, right over here. Go to the Buffalo Wild Wings. We're gonna do this cannon. And you know what? There's still a line of people to get in the stadium. That's crazy. But we're gonna do this challenge, and we're gonna show you how good it tastes. All right. So we are here with the chicken wings. Right? And I'm gonna take one out and see if it comes out on camera. I guess not. That's how it looks. How you do it? So we finally made it to the upper deck, right? And how are you doing? You good? Okay. So we're gonna go find some seats now because we're in the upper deck. So remember, we have standing room only. So this is what standing room only looks like. But I think up there in that little section up there, let me zoom in on it there to show you. Let me zoom in. That section right there, I think there's enough seats for us to sit. We're gonna go to the top. Let's go. And this is what it looks like in section 407. It's beautiful up here. Okay, we finally found some seats up here. And this is the view from right field. It was beautiful. Up in the shoehorn. Let's go Yankees. The rain is really coming down now. As you can see it in the lights there. Got to pan down the field. The Yankees are taking the field now. It's going into the top of the fourth. And the rain is coming down. Look at that, it's pouring. Well, J.A. Happ gave up a home run to tie the game. And now they're bringing Jonathan Holder, which gives up another home run. And the Yankees now losing 7-5. So So let's see what happens with this game here. And hopefully the Yankees can come back and come back for a win. This is going to be the unboxing of the Bernie Williams bobblehead. It's the first collectible of the 2019 season. And Bernie on this side, and Bernie on this side. This is commemorating the hit, the walk-off hit that he hit in the postseason, whatever year that was. So there's going to be the unboxing. You even have the black bag. Just like the old Bernie. Oh, but wait a minute, man. This one is broken.
Oh, damn.
It's missing an arm.
He's a little injured.
Bernie's on the disabled list, but he's all right. And he even got the dirt in him.
For today's game with hashtag ATTNYY.
We made the big screen right there, baby, right on top. We did it again, baby. Game number 3. Made it 3 times. I made it in the beginning of the game, and I made it at the 6th inning of the game. We here. We made it. Bam, right there. Made the big screen. Awesome, man. We're getting out of here. The top of the 8th inning, and it's raining. Oh, baby. The floor is nothing but puddles when it's rain. So always wear your rain boots if it's gonna be rain at the game, you know what I mean? As we walk on out of here. They just pulled out the tarp in the 8th inning. We're out of here on the mass exodus. Like Phil Rizzuto would, but we're past the 7th. And it's raining, man, it's pouring. And we're gonna go home with the rest of the people. And that's it. We're out of here. We'll see you tomorrow for game 2 against the White Sox. See ya. Try to take
baby. Yo, motherfucker.
try to get a picture, but they got busted with the mental and fake boots and all that. So that's where they are. But we're gonna mass exit out, man. And look at the rain. There it goes. Come on.
Yo, why you making fun of me?
It's raining like crazy, man.
And I said, that's not
But that's what it is. The pouring rain.
He's like, stop. Can you take a picture?
This vlog is over.